1 month after the conflict, what's actually happening in Dubai's resale market? Can you still sell? Is everybody selling at a loss? So instead of speaking broadly, let's look at one specific community, Dubai Creek Harbour. It is very well known among Dubai locals, and in mid-March, there was a drone incident. It was on the news. So let's look at the actual transaction data for March in Dubai Creek Harbour today. So first of all, let's look at transaction volumes. Yes, they are down. Off-plan transactions dropped from over 200 per month to around 70. Resale transactions dropped from about 120 to 30 to around 60 per month. So yes, the market is cooling indeed. But the market hasn't stopped. We looked specifically at March resale transaction data, ready properties only, no off-plan, no assignment deals. Total number is about 65 transactions. And more importantly, these transactions were spread across the entire month. Even after the mid-March incident, deals were still happening. And for a single community to record over 60 resale deals in 1 month, that's actually a still very functioning market. Who is buying now? So let's look at these 65 deals. Most transactions are 1 and 2 beds, less 3 beds, which simply reflects the original unit mix of the community. From what we see on the ground, a large portion of buyers are people already living in Dubai. They are renting, working here, and planning to stay long term. So for them, when prices ease, they step in. At the same time, they are investors, especially those who benefited from the post-COVID price growth. Now they are looking again. Interestingly, most of them are male. So a lot of people assume that anyone selling now must be taking a loss. But when we compared original purchase prices with current resale prices across the 65 deals, most sellers are still in profit, especially those who bought 2 to 3 years ago or earlier. Because Dubai saw strong price growth in the post-COVID period, so even if today sellers reduce their asking price, buyers negotiate more, they're still exiting above their original purchase price. So what would you do if you own a property in Dubai? Well, it really comes down to your risk tolerance and how you see the current situation. If you are comfortable holding long-term, I'm on your side. Dubai property remains structurally stable. However, for peace of mind, you might need to consider stabilizing your rental income by switching from short-term rentals to long-term. If you are more cautious, you could try to upgrade investment units to end-user homes. But if you are already feeling quite uncomfortable with the current uncertainty, it is a risk decision for you. In that case, act sooner rather than later. Because right now, there is still liquidity, there are still buyers, so do it now. Because all we are doing is for your peace of mind. Waiting doesn't help. Throughout March, our Dubai team has been on the ground every day. We are doing viewings, speaking to buyers, closing transactions every day. If you own properties in Dubai and are considering selling or looking to rent or simply unsure what to do, feel free to reach out.